Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox a DIY wireless remote control robot car kit, and this is STEAM educational learning kit. This kit is available on the roboindia.com and Amazon. Link of this product is given below in the description. This is the text invoice. The price of this kit is Rs 1399 on Amazon and Rs 999 on roboindia.com. Scan this QR code or refer the link given for more information. Inside the box we have got chassis set 8 pieces, joystick transparent and MDF, two bow rubber wheel, four double A battery holder with 2 pins and attached with double tap. RF motor driver RX, six double A battery holder with double tap and 2 pins, two bow motor, caster wheel with double tap, two hex spacer, screwdriver, RF motor driver TX, four bow motor screw nut, (24 and 3/8) screw, 10 mm metal stud, and last but not the least, 4 elastic rubber small size. You can assemble this kit by yourself and build an RC robot car. Check out I button or description below for how to assemble this kit tutorial video. With the help of this kit, you can build a different type of RC robot car design by making a different type of chassis as per your requirement. And this kit builds creativity and teach your children about wireless technology. This kit is recommended to use above 8 years old children. That's it, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.